In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add filters to your Instagram photo. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, we can tap at that plus sign and select post, and then we'll be able to choose any photo from our camera roll. I'm just gonna pick that one, and then we can hit add next. On the next step, we can add a filter to that photo, so we can just choose any filter from that toolbar, just like that. We can just drag it left or right to select some filter, and also we can tap at the filter one more time to change its intensity, just like that. Once we're done with that, we can hit add done, and then also we can continue selecting filters in that way. And there is one more cool feature, it's a magic filter, so we can just tap right here at the very top at that icon, and that will apply the best settings for that filter and for that photo. After that, we can hit add done. Then we can hit add next, and then we can continue editing that post. That's how you can easily add filter on your Instagram photo. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.